Leg day is not cooperating with the moonwalk intro. If you're looking for an optimal leg day on an upper lower split, let me show you how to get down in this bad boy. And this workout can get you gains in all the right places. Right off the bat, of course we had to start off with the leg press. I already did my sets and everything, but these things are a thing of beauty to start off with. Don't get me wrong, I do like to start with hamstring curls every once in a while, but today was just one of them days that I wanted to save most of my energy for the leg press. And now we got Nordic curls. Luckily we got an assisted machine for this, because when there's no assist on these Nordic curls, bro, you hanging out for your life on these bad boys. But all right, this is gonna be my first working set. So let's see how these things treat me. Let's see. Oh, fuck. Oh shit. That might be a PR. Yeah, that's 70 pounds. It's definitely a slight PR for me. I'm usually doing 90s, but this time, I'm usually doing 90 on this thing, but now I'm moving it on up off the first set. I've done 70s before, but the most I think I've done was 14 last week, and I just busted out 15 real quick. And I've never started my first working set with it, so we're gonna see how the next 2 sets go. That's really gonna determine on how these bad boys are going, so we'll see what we get out this sheet. I ended up finishing 2 more sets. And I actually went up on the last one to, instead of 70 pounds, I did 65 pounds assisted. So 5 pounds less equals 5 pounds more for me. That shit, not gonna lie, that shit was brutal. I got 10 reps and I almost failed on the second to last one. No, on the last. And I almost failed on like the 4th to last one. But I don't know if you guys saw, well, I'm gonna show real quick. When you lock into the assisted part of that specific Nordic curl machine, you actually, it's almost like I actually have like a little bit more power, I have a little bit more strength left. I'm assuming it's because you're using more contractile, you're contracting more muscles, you're probably using a little bit more core, and that'll just help you juice out a couple more reps, you know? So whenever you're doing them bad boys, I like to start them off without holding on to anything and really just free falling. But yeah, once I get to those points, those sticking points, that's when I try to, it was good, brother. That's when I try to hold on, and that tends to help me juice out a couple more reps. So like I've been slacking too damn hard on my single leg anything. So, and my left quad has been a little bit more dominant recently, so I'm actually doing a lot more single leg extensions right now. I'm gonna start this bad boy off and see how these things go. Let's just get a warm up in. And look, for warm-ups, y'all, it don't gotta be all that deep. Do 5-10 minutes of basic dynamic stretches, get your ass moving, and you're gonna be all right. Get lower weight reps of the workout you're about to do, and just like that, that's all you need to get warmed up, bro. All you gotta do is get some blood flowing. That's what the warm-up is. You're literally warming your muscles up, temperature-wise. So get your shit going, and don't overcomplicate this either, all right? Look, I only say that because everybody's always asking, oh, how long should I warm up? This and that. Should I do this warm-up? Should I do that? I'm like, bruh, it's not that deep. So get in here and get moving. Let's get a single leg extension machine in here. Game over. We're in this bad boy. Let's go. Since one leg is lagging, all I'm doing to even it out is just doing a couple more reps on my weaker leg. That said, I kind of just did one less because I was feeling like pushing it a little bit more on my right. But that's really all you got to do when you're trying to balance your muscles out. Mira, ma, nomás te quiero enseñar que sí estoy aquí afuera con mis amigos. Eso es todo.
My mom let me outside.
Esta vez se los dejó. Yo, I know, this the gym bro. This the gym bro ultimate alliance. Where's Marquitos? Marquitos. Show him that glute spread, brother. He acting brand new, like he don't know what a glute spread is. All right, bet. Mira, pinche bailacito. I can't even move like that, bro. You know what I can do? I'm gonna try to do. Oh, he missed it one more time. We missed it. I can't believe we missed that shit, boys. God damn. I'm about to walk into the intro. Okay, I lied, guys. Leg day is not cooperating with the moonwalk intro. What are we talking about, buddies? What are we talking about over here, boys?
Es que a veces en la vida te da vueltas.
Te da vueltas.
Okay.
No, yo te voy a dar una vuelta ahorita. Mira papi. Oh man, but hey, what you hitting? You hitting back? Back?
Oh, yeah, back.
Back in this bad boy. I know you got them scraps on you.
I've never really used the machine. Hold on.
That one? Oh, that thing's a beauty, bro. That's actually a humbling ass machine.
I've heard single arm, but that one butter.
Bro, I mean single arm and even double is cooked, bro. Like I don't know if let me show y'all what we're talking about in here, because this thing's a animal, a beast of a fucking machine right here. Look at this thing. It's like a unilateral lat pull down machine, and yeah, whoever the hell made this thing up, go to this hell. I still gotta finish my calf raises though. I'm about to go do them bad boys real quick. Yeah, this one is a beauty right here, bro. I had to get some action shots in this bad boy. I've been yapping enough. Let me go finish these damn calf raises real quick. And look, y'all, I'm not gonna tell you not to do seated calf raises because they do have their purpose. But if your goal is to build your calf size, you just want to be doing some type of standing calf raise version because that's actually going to give you the full stretch on the aesthetic parts of your calves. Because from what I know, the soleus was getting targeted into the seated calf raise, and that's generally more for sport related activity. Again, I'm not saying don't do it. I'm just saying, know what your goal is and do the right exercise for that. If your goal is to build your calf size, standing calf raises, any type of variety are gonna be your best friends, all right? And also, you don't wanna be going light with your calf raise. But you're using your calves all day long, walking, maybe a little bit of running here and there. Them bad boys can handle a whole lot more than you think. And a whole lot of volume too. So to grow them bad boys, hella volume, go heavy just like any other muscle. Do the standing versions, all right? Finished up those damn calf raises. And yes, I was pretty much calling it with them because those bad boys were on fire to the last set. I like to finish off my leg day with side bends. That's because I don't feel like I got enough oblique definition. And right now, I'm kind of just warming up. So I'm just going through the motions right now. Usually I focus a lot more on kind of feeling that thing, feeling that squeeze out. Man, look, I've never had abs before in my life. Like every time, the leanest I got was 180, 182, 183, something like that last year. And then I yo-yo dieted all my way all the way back to 205. So right now I'm back to 193 and I'm working to get my ass all the way back down to 185 and really just stick with the maintenance calories, bro. Every time I cut, I usually have a really damn good cut, but it's the maintenance phase that I always skip out on, and then I end up dirty bulking, and then I'm back to square one. And it's like the only thing I do get out of it is I get stronger, and it's like, all right, cool, I'll take that. I'm not gonna complain about that, but it's also like I could be getting optimal gains to stay at the body fat percentage that I want, or more to look like how I want more often. Because yeah, I be fucking up, man. Fucking up, but hey, it's a part of the game either way, so I ain't really complaining too much. I just there's a lot to learn, a lot to learn from all this shit. And look, if you take something from all this, it's don't skip it on the maintenance phase after a cut, because that shit is actually a lot more crucial than you would think. And it's part of the game. Come on, baby. I used to not do these. I used to tell people not to really do these. It's because I've had a lot of people fuck their backs up with it. And even myself, I used to have back pain every once in a while. But once you get it down and you don't go too deep, for the most part, you're gonna be all right. Now you gotta even it out. But I'm not holding on to my side for any reason other than I'm just trying to get a good mind muscle connection. Let me tell you, the mind muscle connection isn't as important as you think. Sure, it can be a good way to let you know that you're targeting the right muscle and all that, but to be honest, there's not much more to it than that. There's not much studies that tell us that having a better mind muscle connection is better for muscle growth. So that's what I mean. I'm always talking about don't overcomplicate things. Just because we just gotta focus on the fundamentals of lifting and getting stronger and getting bigger, which is train hard, be consistent, eat a good diet, and sleep good, bro. That covers like all your bases for general health and fitness. I hear this a lot too, that, oh, I don't wanna work out because I don't wanna get super jacked. I don't wanna look like a model. I don't wanna, bro. That's not what this shit's about. It's about getting to the point where your blood markers are healthy, you feel damn good, and you rely on people a lot less than you have to. That's why I'm always preaching this stuff, bro. There's too much benefits to working out and doing all this. It's not just physical either, it's mental too. Like, if it wasn't for the gym and me actually caring about myself and showing myself that I can do hard stuff, bro, I don't even know what the hell my life would be. I'm gonna keep this bad boy rolling. I might record the next ones, we'll see. I've not done a pump check in forever, so we're back at it with these bad boys. See, my left one is lagging a good little bit. I need to grow this bad boy out. We'll see with time, slowly but surely. Other than that, we're gonna get back at y'all another time. I'll make some gains, everybody.